Hi, it's Steve from KME, and this is part 5 of the tandem trailer build. In this part we'll finish the winch covering, mounting and covering off, the Tandem points for the cars, ratchet strap points, and other bits and pieces. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment. I've just made up this winch mount. The winch itself will bolt to this section, and this part here will weld into the front of the trailer. So the winch, that's the winch there, they'll come together. So it'll be like that on the front of the trailer. There we are, all welded together. There is my spare wheel mount held in place with magnets, and I'll just now weld it on. And there we have the spare wheel mount welded on. And there's the spare wheel bolted to it. So that's it bolted on temporarily at the moment. Obviously the trailer's got to get painted, so everything's got to come off it. There it is. Now I've got that mounted, I can then go and take the winch mount, and I can set the winch mount up. And that's the whole lot with the winch, the breakaway box for the brakes, and the battery. I'm going to have a battery on the trailer all the time to run the winch. Well, anything else I may put on the trailer which is electrically operated or we can use this battery. two sides of the box to cover the winch and the batteries. So there it is, clamped up, ready to be welded into place. That's the lock to hold the canopy shut. So there's my box all set up with the lid on the on it, and there's the box itself, comes up, and I'm about to put two gas struts on it. So setting up the strut mounts for the box, and there's one in there now. I've made these brackets that I will weld in place to hold the other end of the strut. So there's the winch box finished. Fairly happy with that. Nice and easy operation. Winch will be in there, batteries, control units. I'll make this a bit prettier down here where the lock fits in. Lock in the front there, and there it is. Well, there we have the Tandem points welded in. The plasma cut the holes out of the deck. As you saw before, they flip up and I can hook to them. So they are all in. You saw the front before, got the wheel mounted on, finished off the tow bar tongue, it's all fitted, and the front of the bar's all fitted off, it's finished. Coming around, showed you the box before, there it is. They're ready to be, the rest of the inside of it to be finished off. The tie downs there. I'm just in the middle of setting up the little parts here are going to be guard to save the mud guards from getting bashed against whatever, trees or whatever. And also there'll be another tie down point mounted in here, and that little section there will be fitted into here. So that's there. Going down the back, as you saw me doing before, and there's the tie down points there as well. Once again, hook up, ready to have a ratchet or whatever hooked into them. There's 4 of those. Okay. I just laid one of the car spare wheels, or one of the car wheels in the centre, and I'll be able to have carrier wheels up the centre physically under the car, which will be great. And that's where we're up to today. Hope you're all enjoying the build so far.